This will do. I guess this will do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I don't even want to leave the car, let alone be on camera.
We're gonna get copyright.
That's why I turned it on. This is a preview of my next album.
We're gonna go to Starbucks. We have a day filled full of activity. And
Can I
then
edit the drunk video? I'm bored.
yeah, you can.
Okay.
Let's see what shenanigans we get to. Let's see what shenanigans.
Guys, he's so drunk from the last video, as you guys can see.
I'm sick.
And drunk from
And
the last
drunk.
video, as you guys can see.
So Marco will stay in the car, but y'all will come with me. Come on over, guys. Okay, so we're here at Michael's. I'm gonna buy some cute little gay hearts for my Valentine's Day video. I don't want to get run over, but yeah, we're here at Michael's, like I said, and I'm about to buy some stickers, some heart-shaped gemstones for my Valentine's Day look, requested by Alexa. So everything is sold out at Michael's for Valentine's Day, which is fucking saddening. I'm sad. So now I'm just gonna have to improvise for my look. I was gonna wear some heart gems, you know, heart-shaped gems for the look, but it's not gonna happen. So we'll see what I do. Marco, they sold out of all fucking Valentine's, everything. Everything.
Of course, it's literally the day before.
February 14th, open up your Spotify, open up your iTunes, open up your Napster, open up your iHeartRadio, Pandora, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Google Play Music. Pre-order his album now.
Open it everywhere.
Just do it.
Just like, honestly, open it on every single streaming service and just play my album on mute. Who gives a fuck?
Yeah. No, it has to be at least at 1%.
1%,
yeah.
whatever.
Turn it up to 1%. Make a playlist. Repeat his album.
Relax. We're not Justin Bieber. We're not thirsty. We accept anything that comes our way.
Organic
It's my first
growth.
EP, and that's that.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day 2020 eyeshadow look. But we're also gonna be reviewing the glitter lip kits by Stay Golden Cosmetics. I got two shades. This one's in the shade It's Cocoa. And then this one is in the shade VAMP. It's like a very red, glittery color. So for this look, we're gonna go with the very red glittery color, which is VAMP. I'm gonna try to skip throughout my whole face application. The only different product that we're gonna be using today is the Professional Hydrating Primer. This primer has hyaluronic acid, which attracts moisture into your skin, and that way if you have like dry skin, it'll help hydrate and keep you moistened, keep you moisturized throughout the day, not moistened. Well, if it keeps you moistened, then that's awesome. We're gonna be using the Blush Sugar palette today. Oh, I forgot to say, but this video is requested by Alexa and Jamie. Alexa requested a Valentine's Day look, and Jamie requested that I reviewed these lip kits on my channel, so here it is. So now we're gonna jump into the eyeshadows. So let's open up the Stay Golden Cosmetics Glitter Lip Kit in the shade VAMP. So as soon as you open up the lip kit, you have the little wand applicator. Then we have the gloss bond. This is just the lip liner. And then we have the glitter. This is the little glitter here. Very reflective, very red. So these colors are kiss proof, swim proof, turn up proof, and cruelty free. So these are the instructions. It says start with dry lips. Apply the gloss one lip at a time. Once the gloss is clear, dampen the applicator and use it to pick up the glitter. Gently pat onto your lips to completely cover the gloss bond. Tips: line your lips for a flawless finish. To remove, use an oil-based makeup remover. Okay, so first, let's line the lip. These pencils are so smooth and creamy, oh my gosh. Okay, so the liner is on. Now we're gonna jump into the gloss bond. Dip. Alright you guys, well I think I'm totally done with today's Valentine's Day 2020 look. Thank you Alexa and thank you Jamie for submitting your request. I am freaking shocked how good these glitter lip kits worked. Like, they work. If you guys want glitter lips, go to staygoldencosmetics.com and you'll have glitter lips just like me. They have different colors, tons of shades. This is not sponsored. I wish it was, but yeah, go ahead and check them out. Oh my god, really good products. Alright you guys, well that's it for today's look. If you like this look, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below. What you guys think about these new glitter lip kits by Stay Golden Cosmetics? I don't think they're new, but they're new to me. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye. And happy Valentine's Day! Woo! Michael, give a shout out. Bye.
This will do. I guess this will do.